So this is the Summerlin. Ano ba ever?
Charleston to, yung Summerlin.
Summerlin daw to, pero hindi downtown.
Meron dyan Jewish Family Service ko. Charleston Boulevard. 5851. Drive-thru restricted.
At the stop sign, turn right.
Yes, ma'am.
In 2.3 miles, turn right onto Arville Street.
Uy, ba't wala?
Diyan yan. Hindi mo lang nakikita. Ayusin mo paghawak. Hindi ka talaga marunong mag-vlog.
Ayan na nga, oh. Paano ba liwanagan? Siya na po. Ay, nako, buhay. Buhay is life. O yan, nakitang-kita na. Look. Oh, diba?
Maganda siya kasi ano,
Kahit maliit.
maliit siya pero sobrang wide. Problema lang kasi niyan, yung charger niyan, kinuha lahat niyan.
Oo nga, kasya nga sa bag.
Yung Canon, ginagamit ko yun pag ano lang yun.
Yung malaki?
O pag,
Basta may pinapatong mo sa ano.
pag nagsa-try on ng mga damit sa loob ng
Ito, hindi mo to, pwede tanggalin. Ganito na to, no?
Ito pwede ah.
Pwede ba ipatong to sa may binibitbit mo lagay ng camera? Hindi.
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 Pero pwede yan ipatong dito.
Ah,
Mayroon yung pagdikit dyan na pwede ipatong.
Nasaan na? Di mo na rin alam.
Nasa ba?
Baka nakuha din ni ano.
Ayun.
Yun ang masaklap. Ang dami niyang bit-bit. No? Hindi mo na nakita kasi sa sobrang ano. Grabe, no? Patig yan. Ay, nako.
Grabe.
Kaloka.
Ang daming nangyayari.
Nangyayari.
Pwede yan itayo lang dyan.
Saan?
Ito, dyan. Itayo mo. Ibuka mo yung ano. Ibuka mo yung paa. Yan. Kasi ibuka mo yung paa. Yan. Ang ano lang yan. Hawakan mo lang. Ano, alalayan mo lang yung paa. Yan. Alalayan mo lang yung ganyan. Yan. Di ba?
Yan.
Kasi
Ba pwede tusok dito?
hindi.
Malay mo naman.
Pero mayroon yung pangdikit dito talaga. Na ano lang.
Kasi
din.
malalaglag yan pag ano.
Meron yung pandikit, hanapin ko nga yun. Pero hindi natin to gagamitin. Kasi sa winter, di naman natin gagamitin to.
Sa init lang. Diyan yun eh, di ba? Doon pa sa una.
Hindi daw, Sahara daw eh.
Alam ko meron din dito.
Alam ko ito, mayroon din dito. Pero
Mountain
wala man
Church.
tao.
Pero ibang araw ata. Oo, hindi ngayon to. Baka Tuesday yan sis.
Sahara yung binigay ni ano eh, ni Kuya Rex eh.
Konti pa. 5 miles, 5 minutes.
Dito pa nila nakatuloy yung Kuya eh.
Sino kuya?
Kuya Rex.
Ah, oo. May pinasukan kami. Pero mga ganyan-ganyan. Ganyan-ganyan.
I-charge ko nga yung ibang battery niya. May isa pa yung battery. May isa pa yung battery kaso lang nasa bahay. Hindi ko nga hanapin ko muna. Kaso lang wala na yung charger. Wala niya.
Ano ba yun? Wala talagang charge. Wala tayong magawa, dala niya
Hindi,
lahat.
pwede yung charge dyan sa cellphone mismo. Dyan mismo sa Google.
Ah, ganon. Kaso ano pang charge dito?
Meron daw.
Ah,
May cord yan. Pwede nga natin
dali natin. May sinasabi siya, di ba dyan sa Decatur? May simbahan malapit sa Fantastic. Saan ba yun? Sa likod ata. Kasi post office yun.
Ito yata yun. Papunta lang doon tapos niliko ng sama ng ganun eh.
Baka nga. Let's find out.
May makikita mo yun kasi nakatag.
Ah, okay. Di pa ka nagbukas.
At the next light, turn right.
Right.
Tingnan mo, ang daming ambulansya doon naman.
Kaya nga eh.
Mayroon yata mga nangyayaring hindi maganda.
Or may hinatid or whatever. Cameron, yes. Baka yan, simbahan na yan.
Kakanan tayo dyan.
First Baptist Church.
At the light, turn right onto Arville Street.
Arville.
At the light, turn right onto South Arville Street.
Uy, dinoble ni Inday. Inday talaga ayaw mapahon.
What's going on?
How many degrees?
Why?
77?
Why nobody's moving?
They giving way to each other, you know. Where is that?
In a quarter mile, turn right into the parking lot.
Oh, turn right. Where's the parking lot?
Deported. Deported.
Maybe with the payong-payong. Look at that. I just guess.
Kasi drive-thru daw eh.
Pag drive-thru, okay yan.
Drive-thru.
Ayan naman pala ganyan lang outfitan mo. Drive-thru.
Ayoko.
Kaya naman pala guys, tingnan nyo naman ang itsura ng kasama ko. Tingnan nyo siya. Kaya naman pala ang lakas ng loob, ganyan ang suot.
Nakita ko drive-thru.
Drive-thru lang pala. Kaya ang lakas ng loob niya, ganyan ang suot niya.
Ako pag hindi drive-thru, hindi ako magpunta.
Kahapon nakaka-Cleopatra siya. Alam niyo ba?
Visit ka?
Cleopatra yan.
Turn right into the parking lot.
Ano yun? How is that?
Sabay-sabay sila. McDonald pala to eh. And where is it?
Asan? Dito ba yun?
Do not enter daw eh, puta.
Hindi, doon pa sa unahan. Bali Church.
Saan? Wala eh.
At the light, turn right onto West Sahara Avenue. Then turn right.
Yun eh.
Exit the parking lot toward West Sahara Avenue.
Baka doon may daan.
Ha? Wala, pader yan dahil. Oh, nakalagay yan, pader eh.
Eh, what's happening?
Hindi ko alam. Wala eh, nakalagay do not enter eh.
Ano yun?
Turn right onto West Sahara Avenue. Then turn right. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Asan yung destination?
Ito yung KFC. KFC ba yan? Is that KFC?
Aha.
Oh yeah.
That KFC.
That is KFC.
Wendy's yan.
Oh. Ayan nga. Yan nga yun.
Oh my God. Why they close the gate? Tinignan mo yung itsura niyan, place na yan. Uy, nag-yellow na.
Ah, ibig sabihin wala ng battery.
Mm.
Patayin na natin. Okay, so we found the place. Here's the place, if you can see guys. Look at this, Las Vegas. See? Sa record din yan.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the mountain. Yes, early this morning we went to the pantry, but we don't get anything. We just came back home with nothing, and we did a cutting of the trees, and now we're going to the mountain.
What are you
Sa
gonna do to the-
Summerland. Mamasyal ang mga byuda. The way that we're gonna go around in the mountain, we're gonna find nakakasira ng lalamunan ng sapagos.
Oh my gulay.
We're gonna try to find something different. Charot.
Something different, something new. Right? We're
Yeah.
going to the mountain, Summerlin. This is Summerlin.
Yeah, Summerland, sa Macy's.
Oh, TJ.
So don't ever try to ask me why we're gonna go to the Macy's even if we don't have money, because of course we still have right to go in stores even we don't have money. Just walk around, do some exercise inside the mall.
Walking
You know?
around. This is already an exercise.
Yes.
We're closer na to the mountain, guys. Oh, mountain. What time is it?
Parang Red Rocks ata yung pupuntahan natin eh.
I don't know. You're the one driving. I'm just only the passenger.
In 1 mile,
Passenger.
turn right onto Hughes Park East Drive.
Oh my god. Why are you getting red?
Red?
Look at the camera.
Yeah, that's why it's recording.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, when it's red, it's recording.
Alright. Pasensya na po. Wala po nito sa bundok. Wala po kami nito. So, it's my first time like this po. Sa mountain po, walang ganito. So, dito lang po sa Jomerica. Yeah. Nasa town center na tayo. OMGs.
Town center naman.
Yeah, look at that. Town
Akala ko
center.
it's Red Rocks.
Are we
Oh my
ready?
God, look at the mountain!
Mountain.
What are you doing?
Oh
Why are you
my
passing
gulay. Look at that. It's super
by?
makulay.
The sun is so bright.
Yeah.
It's disturbing. Oh yeah, I know. I remember this one. It goes to the back of the Macy's, the
You
parking
sure?
area. Yeah.
Pavilion Center. Ah, downtown. Summer Lane.
Yeah. Somewhere.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn right.
Okay, Inday. Salamat. We're at the Festival Plaza.
Yeah, this is a festival. Summer.
But we're in the mountain, you know?
So yeah, we usually we can go there. We can go there. There's a-
We're here, guys.
Yeah, I remember this area.
This is our mall here.
Yeah, it's like a
Uy, look at that. Top down.
Turn right onto
There,
Hughes
ah.
Park East Drive. Then take a slight right turn onto West Sage Park Drive.
Ayan, optics. Oh, yes, Inday. Thank you for your reminder. I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like this one.
Oh, look at the Trader's Joe.
Oh, my Trader's Joe.
Yeah. Guys, ayan ang pinagkakagulan ng mga tao. Yung mga bag daw. They're getting crazy.
Oh my
You know?
goodness.
They're getting crazy all over because of that. That's the Trader's Joe.
That's going to Las Vegas North sa freeway yan. Ito naman tayo sa tabi.
We're at Michael's. Old
Take a
Navy,
slight right turn onto West Sage
Barn.
Park Drive.
Oh,
Then take a
Nordstrom
sharp
na.
left turn.
Nordstrom na.
Yeah, dito.
We'll be closer to the Nordstrom. Okay.
Ito na yan.
Hi, mountain. Kaway-kaway.
Go past the stop
Macy's.
sign. Then take a sharp
Ay,
left
yun pala yung
turn.
Red Rock eh.
Oo, kasi kapit-bahay lang yan dito, gaga.
That's neighborhood, ha?
Dillards. Doon tayo mag-park sa kabila. This is Macy's and this is Nordstrom.
Okay. We gonna park this big area or the other side of the parking lot? Hello, parking lot. Hello, parking lot. We want to have a big space.
no.
Turn right, then turn left onto
oh.
Suma Drive.
Oh. Look at the, what's that? Mountain. That's the mountain.
But we're gonna park in
There?
Yeah, because yan yung North Star.
Okay. Make sure it's a big space for us.
Turn left.
You
Turn
know.
left,
Turn left
then
naman
turn
na
left.
daw.
Oh, turn left na. Okay. What we gonna do? Of course, turn
Go
left.
past the stop sign. Then at the next one, turn left onto West La Madre Mountain Drive.
Oh yeah.
Dito na tayo sa... Maraming parking dyan eh.
Yeah.
Ayan ang North Star.
Let's park closer to the North Star. Para masaya, exciting. Is that Mercedes too? That's the old Mercedes, no? Very old one.
Ganyan yung Mercedes na
Before. What's that blink?
Saan? Saan ang blink?
Dito, just blink there.
Saan yan?
Diyan nga, nagbi-blink.
Turn left onto Park Center Drive. Then take the first left onto West La Madre Mountain Drive.
Nordstrom. Rock.
Northstar.
So tayo mag-parking here, no?
Dito.
Tapatan mo yung Mercedes one.
Okay, we're here. We're just done parking our car and we're gonna go to the store. See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Sa top yan.
Oh, may sasakyan. Bakit ako lang?
The North Store.
Here, guys.
Aywan ko kung anong mayroon dyan. Mayroon din doon ng Old Navy. Pero ang maganda kasi sa North Store. Kasi
Di ba may
nandyan na
carpet
lahat.
yan? Oo. Pwede na dyan.
Yay! We're gonna go shopping even we don't have money.
What's shopping?
Ang daming Crocs. Oh my God. Look at this. Ang daming Crocs. $39 lang. Look. It's only $39. Look at this. $39 lang. Diba? Crocs yan. I like that one. Look. So, in and up, wala kaming nabili kahit isa. We didn't buy anything, just walk around in the store. Oh my God, it's so expensive. Charot. Oh my God.
It's crazy.
So, walang nabili kahit isa. Ganun lang. Malungkot ang life. Wala may pahuka-huka ka pa naman. Tapos ang mahal naman pala. My God, Jesus Christ. So, where are we gonna go now? Uwi na lang tayo eh. So, good morning everybody. Today is, we're gonna go another pantry. Since we didn't get anything last night or yesterday. We
No
don't
luck
get
yesterday?
any. Yeah, we don't have luck yesterday.
No, we had
So, today we're gonna go in another place.
Halika.
Anong mayroon dyan?
Hindi ko abot, hindi ganun kahaba ang kamay ko. Ay, shit. Nakalimutan ko rin.
May lahat ng gamit mo dyan ha?
Oo.
So we're gonna go to the social security. We're gonna try to get the social security number for Marife. Kalimutan na naman natin yung goodwill natin. Oh my God.
Doon naman lang siguro kung may fill up na po.
So we're here in another food pantry. We have this one, the
Isa tayo.
CPM pack. And our schedule is 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Hindi.
This is only once a month. It's too hot, so we have to fall in line there. Charot.
Nabigyan mo na?
Oh, we have lots of food today. Look at this. We have another tomato and potato.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at this. Ito yung binigay sa akin.
Ano to?
Hindi ko nga alam kung ano yan. I don't know what is that, but they give me all of that one.
What's that?
Oh, Mayan, we have potato for Dimitri.
Look at that.
And then they give me a bread. Yan, bread na
Marami
yan.
kang bread, I know.
Grabe.
Lipat natin kasi it's so heavy. Alam mo, binigyan na pa ako ng gatas nung lalaki din.
Oh, magasgas yung sasakyan. Yan kaya ang nakagasgas ng sasakyan.
Tingnan mo nga, oh.
Ayan. So we have milk too. My God. You see, we have lots of bread and we have lots of food for this week. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing.